Does your FL Studio seem a little chaotic and hectic? So in this video, I'll be helping you how to clear out your windows in FL Studio. It's super easy, so let's get right into it. Now first off, for this video, let's just open random windows. Now, since most of the windows are open, if you want to close all windows and clear everything out, just press F12. And that's it. This shortcut is as easy as that. Just press F12 and all of your windows will be closed. And you can open accordingly again instead of pressing the buttons right here or use shortcuts. And that's it. If this video helped, make sure you like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you on the next one.